The Fortis Memorial Research Institute is going to be a real next-gen one of its kind. Apart from having the latest state-of-art technology and superbly well-trained specialists to back it up, it will actually provide comprehensive assessment and care of some very common chronic disorders.
Our whole neurosciences team will be integrated into one common area where we will have all the intensive cares which are going to be used by the neurologists and by us, totally run by the neurointensive team headed by Dr. Dash. And this compact arrangement will lead to a very fast response time for our patients and enhance safety and effectiveness of our treatment.
Here we have intraoperative CT scan, which really helps us during surgery in both brain and spine. We have got great plans for neurosurgery department here and want to make it one of the best departments in the world. And it is already becoming a great referral center. On one particular day, I had patients of 8 different nationalities admitted under me.
Without diagnosis, we cannot start any treatment. And that's why our department is very important from the point of view of management of the patients. In terms of diagnosing the patient, differentiation from cystic sarcosis from tuberculosis, which is done especially in our center and nowhere else in the country. And the perfusion MRI of the brain with the T1 contrast examination is especially possible on this hospital and nowhere else in the country. We also have a possibility of doing a 3D examination, which is a high-end, high-resolution imaging of the whole body, which helps in detecting the cancer and other infectious processes in the body, for which the patient doesn't have a symptom. So in that respect, we give a comprehensive diagnosis, which creates a roadmap to the treatment to the clinicians for further management of these patients.
The Fortis Totipotent RX Center for Cellular Medicine at FMRI has taken more than 2 years to create. Significant cross-functional collaboration between the Fortis team and Totipotent, and is now staffed with internationally trained scientists in both the development and production of personalized medical therapies. One may ask, what is a personalized medicine? Well, simply answered, it's the new discipline in medicine which will radically change how healthcare is delivered within the next 20 years. Understanding that 90% of drugs are ineffective for 70% of the population, and that we now have an aging population, we must find ways to cure disease versus ineffectively and expensively giving daily doses of therapies. Like the surgeon who sees inside the body and adjusts the surgical procedure to the patient's need, cellular therapy is a precision-based, personalized therapy program where doctors tailor the curative treatment to the individual. The field already is having major breakthroughs in cardiac and vascular disease, certain cancers, and orthopedic indications. Our company has already delivered close to 20,000 such therapies across the world.
We have developed the facility here where very precise radiation therapy with a very skillful team of doctors, physicists, technologists, and nurses are there to provide this modern care, mainly to treat the tumor precisely, and in the process to save the normal tissues and the normal organs of the human body.
The idea is to make this center as the state-of-the-art center for cancer care in the country, and to develop research and generate data on cancer etiology and cancer incidences and the type of cancer that we get in India.
We have already started off in the right direction. The super specialists of pediatrics in this hospital, they are skilled, they are qualified, they are experienced. They will be able to provide the services to any child suffering from the most complicated disorder.
What we'd like to do differently at Fortis Gurgaon is that we'd like to look at everything from the mother and baby's point of view, right from the antenatal period where the Mamma Mia Center would take care of their problems in the antenatal period, down to when they get admitted to the labor delivery suite, where we'd like mother and baby to bond soon after delivery. The arrival of a baby is to any family both a very stressful as well as a very joyful event. And our role in this whole exercise is to make sure that we are as unobtrusive as possible and yet be there when they need us.
this is a system which is designed for every single patient in an ICU bed. The unique part about this is all this information is available to a clinician who can make crucial decisions regarding patient management by being able to access this information from any remote location, anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day. This is how it is changing and revolutionizing healthcare, especially in ICUs.
I'm really honored to be part of this dream team. I believe that it's very rarely that one gets to see their dream come alive. So my job as the head of Department of Minimal Access here will be to make sure that every patient who walks in here gets almost no scar or is scarless surgery.
We have the best equipment in the world and we will give the best results to our patients. They definitely will be very happy with us and they'll definitely take back a child home.
This is the department in fact which has given birth to life. All of you are born because of this department in this world. We are using research-based, evidence-based management protocol for management of most of the women health diseases, and we are expecting that FMRI will emerge as a referral center like AIIMS for public sector, it's Fortis AIIMS or FAMES for private sector.
Being a part of the Fortis family for years, as an obstetrician and gynecologist, our constant endeavor has been to deliver the best in healthcare. It's about building a connection with care that encompasses the mind, body and soul.
My vision for the place is not only going to be #1 in India and Asia, but probably #1 in the world. And the reason to substantiate my statement is that there is a fantastic infrastructure vis-a-vis the labor room, the recovery room, operation theatre, nursery, and all the other facilities which are required to make this experience of a delivery a memorable one.
We have a vision at our department to build a private sector national program for mental health for across all communities, across the socio-economic strata, across the age group, so that the discrimination, the stigma associated with mental health can be completely wiped off.
I believe that FMRI gets that human angle to it. It's more about human care rather than just healthcare alone, and that differentiates FMRI as the destination to go to for healthcare.
What will set us apart would be the delivery of care with a human touch. By that I mean, it would not be just treating diseases, but treating patients with their families, sharing their agonies and making a difference to all of them.
Give an approach of warmth, give an approach of seeing to their comfort on a day-to-day basis.
The matters of heart are extremely important to me because I deal with them on an everyday basis. When I made the decision to work in this hospital, I thought it was very crucial to work with people who had their heart in the right place.
Health is not just about physical well-being. It is about psychological, social, emotional, spiritual well-being. What we do here at FMRI, we bring a sense of inclusiveness to health so that well-being becomes a complete, holistic and a positive experience.